I never filmed a proper intro to this Vlogmas. I think I might just do 2 this year because I really don't have too much planned in this episode. I put up my Christmas tree with a friend. I cooked Sunday roast for the both of us. I did a couple other things, but I just didn't bring my camera with me, and it would have been nice to have captured it, but I unfortunately didn't. I went to a holiday party that I was invited to. It was sort of like networking. Then I went to Williamsburg to meet my friend for dinner on Thursday. I didn't film that, unfortunately, but yeah, that was pretty nice. I tried Republic of Booza, which is stretchy ice cream, and no, it's a pimple. I've been wearing my Decisions Formula Marathonista BB cream more lately, and because I'm trying to get rid of it before the end of the year, and I think it's what's causing some of the pimples. I might have to just stop using it. I'm pretty close to finish though. And I finished yet another book that was sort of on my list of books I wanted to finish this year. I have 2 more books on my Goodreads list that I am meaning to finish this year, and then I'm hoping to read or finish reading White Teeth, and that'll be it. So I've got 3 books to read in the next like 3 weeks. Oh, and I bought entirely too many things over the last few weeks. These 2 are the same dress actually. It's like a shift dress, long sleeved with lace sleeves at the bottom. This is in red and this is in green. I was gonna wear this to that holiday party I told you about, but then I didn't have the right shoes and it was really last minute, so I ended up not wearing either one, but I'm gonna keep probably one of these. It's only $20 from H&M, but I prefer the green, but my mom says the red one is more interesting. And then I've got 2 holiday pillows back here. No couch yet. Got a Cheers pillow. These are both from Target, of course. And then this like cute little pom-pom pillow from the Opal House line.
I'll give you 5 good reasons.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
It's a Sunday roast that I cooked from scratch. And the Yorkshire puddings will be done soon, hopefully. Tree is finished. This is a new tree. It's very small. It's from IKEA and it's better quality, but it's only about 5 feet tall. And this is a salt and pepper shaker from England that we're using as the tree topper. And I'm wearing my Christmas socks. If you can read this, bring me hot chocolate. I'm wearing my Christmas sweater. It's a Christmas pudding. Leftovers from my Sunday roast. And I also made sticky toffee pudding, which we're about to enjoy. Myself a little cup of mulled wine. I'm gonna pour the wine directly in here and use this as a measuring cup. Might as well. There's not much left. I picked up this glog spice from Flying Tiger. Glog is mulled wine in some Scandinavian countries. My friend Megan and I were obsessed with glog. We visited Stockholm together when we were 20. Okay, I'm gonna put in 1 cinnamon stick here. Got a clove, got a star anise. Okay, and then I'm gonna add quite a bit of honey here. like it sweet. You're supposed to add orange peel and orange juice. I don't have oranges or orange peel. I do have a clementine. Look at that beaut. This lighting is incredibly flattering. But cheers! Oh my gosh, Kelsey Ballerini's dress. Where is it from? It's gorgeous. Probably custom made. Oh wow. This show is so much more tame than it used to be. It almost seems like, I mean, it's always been a marketing agent, but it's like they used to have like 1 or 2 musical artists, if any, and now there's like 6 today, I think. I just don't remember it being this commercial, and it was way more risque when they were actually wearing like bras and bikinis and panties and stuff like that when I was in high school. This one is really like artwork rather than bras. Like there was a reason why this show used to always be on after 10 p.m. but now like this show could probably be on regular prime time and not raise too many eyebrows. Not much about this is sexy. Look at that, she's wearing a parachute. She's gorgeous. But honestly, without the musical artists, I would not be watching this show, so I think the musical artists help a lot. Aww. I'm really feeling this song by Rita Ora. What are they wearing though? Yeah, I like this song. It's got a early 2000s feel. Wow, the lighting is... I'm actually getting ready to go to bed, but I wanted to show you what I am packing for lunch this week. I made beef stew with wine, red wine in it. I actually don't like this recipe. I got it from Delish, which doesn't often have reviews. This was way too tomato heavy. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really thick. So I ended up just today making some rice to go with it, because not only is it really thick, it's also salty and tomatoey. So it's like really intense. I couldn't drink it on its own, so I'm gonna just put it over some rice. It's got beef in it, carrots, potatoes, celery, a lot of good stuff. Then I'm gonna show you in a minute this drink. Well, everyone knows what it is. It's like, what is it called? The golden latte or something. It's basically turmeric milk, and I've been incorporating turmeric a lot more into my diet and my skincare routine lately. So I heard that turmeric also helps with sleep, which I always basically drink like sleepy time or some sort of chamomile or calming tea. So I'm just going to show you briefly how I do it. Normally, if you're using regular milk or like almond milk or coconut milk, you would get a half cup of the milk and then add a half cup of water, which is now in there getting warm, to the pot, and then add all the other ingredients. But I've been experimenting with oat milk. This is homemade oat milk. I haven't actually tried Oatly or any of those brands yet, but oat milk supposedly gets really gummy if you heat it up. So I will add this in later, or rather probably pour this concoction into the cup when I'm done heating it up. 1 part milk, 1 part water. I've poured the water in already, so I'm just going to show you what else I do. I do like half a tablespoon of turmeric, maybe a tablespoon if I'm feeling really adventurous, which I might be tonight. I think you're supposed to do like half cinnamon, but I like it extra cinnamony, so I do like equal part turmeric and cinnamon. Then this is the kicker. Gosh, I don't know if I can hold the camera. Let me put it down. I do a little one like grind of black pepper and a teeny bit of coconut oil, because I think from what I understand you need coconut oil for this to have any health benefits. I do a teeny bit because I think I'm personally sensitive to coconut oil, but if you're not, I encourage you to use a little bit more. And then honey. They say like a teaspoon, but I like it sweet, so I'm going to do a tablespoon of honey. And then you bring it to a boil, which it's obviously already doing. Remove it from heat. You can strain this so that you're not drinking the black pepper and everything, but I really don't care, and I drink it with a straw anyway, so sometimes it doesn't pick that stuff up. I really personally do not care. I think it tastes like chai with a little bit of bitterness. So there. All right, good night.